In the previous video we built this code. The code goes like this. We assign the empty string to username variable, and then we build a while loop which checks if this condition is true. So if the condition that username is different from PyPy. If username is different from PyPy, this is going to be executed. So in the first iteration, username is actually different from PyPy because username is an empty string. Therefore, this is going to be executed. The program asks for the username. If the input is A, for example, A will be assigned to username, and then the second iteration starts. So while A is different from PyPy, which is true, this is going to be executed again. That's why we get this prompt here again. If you enter PyPy, the loop ends. Because in the third iteration, PyPy is not different from PyPy, so this will not occur anymore. Now there is a different way to do this, using a break statement. Instead of doing the above, let me do it another way. Again using the while loop, but this time you want to check if true. While true, which is always true, so the loop will always execute until we break it. So while true, we want to ask for the username. Input, enter username. Now we want to create a conditional here to check inside the while loop. So if username is PyPy, break the loop, else continue. Let's see what this will give us. Python 3 b.py. That's the right side script. Enter username. No. PyPy? Yes. Let me try again. If you enter PyPy, right away, again the loop terminates. I do prefer this, actually, because it gives you more control of the workflow. So this is what happens here. While true, which is always true, so the first iteration occurs because true is true, and we ask for the username in the first iteration. So in the first iteration, here, the username was ASFD. So if ASFD is equal to PyPy, break the loop. That is not the case, because ASFD is different than PyPy. Therefore, this will not occur, because this condition is false. Else will be executed. Continue. Now what continue does is it moves the control on top of the loop again. So that's how you use break and continue in a while loop. Both ways are correct, but I do find this more readable.